Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to the AFG family YouTube channel, and I hope everyone is good and happy. And sorry I'm talking a bit slow because my children Sajjad Muhammad Amir is in sitting room. I don't want to they hear me, and today my video will be a bit different to my other video because today my video is a vlog video. And today there was a cricket match between Afghanistan and Ireland, the final. So I know the result, that Afghanistan won the final, but my children, Sajjad Muhammad Amir, don't know because they had school, so they didn't get chance to watch the game. So they think that Afghanistan lost, but in reality they won the final. So I'm gonna stay with me. I'm gonna show you how they react when they find out that Afghanistan won the match. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. Now I want to say it in Pashto as well. Assalamu alaikum, granu malgaro. Nan lak Afghanistan the Ireland match wo final Afghanistan wagato ma match katale day. Kho Sajjad Muhammad Amir match na dekare. Agota da pata nashta che Afghanistan match kare. Di ago paper kevish ka Afghanistan match bailale day. No tas di masra pati shay. Chaga zake che ago school wo au chance paida na kala show che match guri. No tas masra pati che zoi du reaction darta wakh چې کله دوی پیدا کی چې افغانستان میچ ګټلې دی او بخنه غواړم ما خبرې ذکر کوم ځکه چې سجاد محمد امیر په سیټینګ روم کې ناست دی ما سره پاتې شي زه به دې ریاکشن درته وخم چې د څنګه ریاکشن کوي کله چې دې ته پته ولګي چې افغانستان میچ ګټلې دی. Amir.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
We're drawing. Yeah, we do.
Wow, what an Afghan flag you guys draw. Wow.
Yeah.
What? Tam draw crowd. You draw Afghan flag?
No, I drew car.
Car?
Yeah.
Oh, you draw a car. Wow.
Daddy, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. What are you doing?
I'm watching FIFA 21.
Wow, let me see. Did you lose?
No, I'm watching, I'm not playing.
Oh, what's the score?
5-1.
5. Who is 5?
His opponent, the YouTuber's opponent.
Okay. So you does mean you're winning. It doesn't.
It's not me playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Okay. I'm Muhammad.
I'm really sad that Afghanistan lost the game today.
What?
I'm really sad that Afghanistan lost the game today.
Yeah.
It's very upsetting. I'm sad.
I know. I was near to cry as well when they lost.
I won.
Did you win?
Yeah.
How did you win?
I drew fast.
You were too fast.
Yeah.
So you didn't score. You won the match. Wow, mashallah, you won the match. Yes, you won the match. Everything you won. You never lost, alhamdulillah. Are you sad?
Yeah, but khair, inshallah. Next time for the upcoming matches, inshallah, they'll win.
Of course. That will be definitely. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm very sad too. But inshallah, khair, inshallah, they'll play better in other games.
Okay. And yeah, inshallah, next games when they are playing with the different teams, we will win. No problem. Always winning and losing can happen when in any competition. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ah, Habibi.
You are nice.
Am I nice?
Yeah.
You are so nice as well. Thank you. Oh, I love you so much. Do you love me?
Huh?
Do you love me?
Huh?
I love you. You didn't tell me yes, Baba Bay.
Yes, Papa.
Wow. Okay, guys.
Okay.
And you know what? How they scored? They played very bad.
Oh.
They played very bad.
Who played
Yeah,
bad?
they played well.
Rashid Khan played a little bit better. You check the score. Check the score. Check the score. Check the score. That's the way they played.
Wait, Afghanistan won!
Huh?
Afghanistan won!
They actually won!
Say wallah?
Wallah!
I don't know that. Are you sure?
Let's go!
Are you sure?
Yeah! It said the third ODI 3-0.
Wow! I didn't know that. Mashallah. Yes, that's been the word. I didn't know. Sorry, guys. I didn't know as well. I never watched. I was so busy at work, you know. That's nice. Well done. Let me see. Even I don't believe it. Let me see it.
Sorry.
Let me see clear. What is right? Winner 3-0. Wow,
That's a good ODI as well.
That now I believe it. Now I believe it. Okay, well done. You guys make me happy, man.
No, you made us happy.
So you guys should say thank you to me.
Thank you, Daddy.
Asajad, how was the prank?
Last night, the whole day I was sad. The whole day I was so sad.
Sorry.
How did Afghanistan lose? How did Afghanistan lose?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it as well that they lost, but sorry about the prank though. How was your day? What are you laughing for? Are you happy that Afghanistan won? Say wallah. MashaAllah. Say Zindabad Afghanistan. Apparin. How was you? It was good prank, I
It
did,
was
yes?
really good, but we felt sad the whole day and
It's such a good prank.
If I knew that, I wouldn't do prank on you guys. Who told you that they lost?
Mom told us, she called you and she pranked us saying that we lost.
So don't put fault on me. That was not my fault. So put it on mommy, yeah? Not me. Can I have a chew? Allah, do you love me? So inshallah, they will be always winning as they win today. They won the match. You know, you got the result, yes?
Yeah.
So yes, they won.
And this is the real result.
That's the real result. Okay, now we will. Thank you guys for watching, and today, as you saw that today I pranked my children, and they said that it was very hard. The day was so bad for them because mom told them that Afghanistan lost the match, but I pranked them and I apologized them as well. Sorry that I gave them, make them sad for the half of the day. But anyway, inshallah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Afghanistan, inshallah, will be keep winning the match. They won the final, and the result is here. And inshallah, next time I'm not gonna prank on you guys. I know you get hurt in Afghanistan. That's why.
Yeah.
So why you love that much?
It's because when we knew that they won, we got so happy, and then during that day we thought that they never won, so then we got so sad. Now we're so happy.
Oh, but never lose hope though. In the future, never lose hope. When they lose, don't be sad, but they will win again, inshallah. Okay?
Inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. And Amir, what are you gonna say?
I said, we'll buy
Again, you will say Zindabad Afghanistan. Afarin Bachu, Afarin. And is that safe for today? Inshallah, then we will come back. We will do better videos than today. Inshallah, we will be doing what do you call it? Vlogging. Sorry, my English is a bit in the future is getting better, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
Before we end the video, we just want to say, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to smash the notification button.
And we love you all.
And we love you
And
all.
we love you all.